How to read deleted messages on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, then click on your profile located on top left, then click on settings located on top right. In here, scroll all the way down till you find My Data. Click on My Data and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. After that, simply make sure your file is exported in HTML files. After that, you'll find all these options. Make sure you untick all the options except for chat history. After you do that, simply scroll down and press on next. Set your date range. Confirm your email. Then click on Submit. After you click on Submit, this file will be sent to your email. Simply open the email from Snapchat and download the data. After that, you'll be able to read deleted messages. This is how to read deleted messages on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.